Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a video I made last year, but it has kind of been on the back shelf. Anyway, I still wanted to share it with you because I am very happy to have these pieces at home, which you will shortly see. Also, part of the footage of the video is vertical because back in the day I didn't plan to have a YouTube channel, so I didn't know how to record. But soon enough you'll be able to see the footage nice and comfortable on your TV or your mobile phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to show you a few things I have been working on lately. If you have followed our journey for a while, you may know that years ago we purchased a home in another region of Italy called Abruzzo. This home is located in an ancient medieval village, so all houses are way older than the house we currently live in Molise. Our home in Abruzzo has a large and very raw cantina full of beautiful things I would like to restore. And this is what today's video is all about. We have here cute, like coat hanger or something like that. Huh, another coat hanger. Another one. Some chairs. Maybe we can restore this. And the smallest chair ever. I will be sanding this chair and will check if it's nice enough to keep in the garden or one of the balconies. Some of the chairs look pretty damaged, and I hope they can at least hold the weight of some of the plants. It didn't turn out too badly, so I was considering putting some varnish on it and found a recipe online for natural varnish, so let's try it. I used a mix of olive oil and white vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar. Regarding quantities, I did everything by eye, really. I am not great at following recipes. I just made sure that I got a thick consistency that will be absorbed by the wood, and I'm sure if you were to try it, you'll figure it out. As you can see, I already started. I forgot to press play before. In regards to the color, if the stain remains like this, I will be super happy. So this is the finished product. For the time being, it will hold our brand new tomato plant. Even if it doesn't last a long time, this chair, I think it is better than leaving it abandoned in a cantina. Plus, doing this little job wasn't a lot of effort and it was a lot of fun. I was so excited by the results with the chair that decided to continue using the same technique with the rest of the things we brought back from Abruzzo. I will sand these coat hangers and have asked Aiden to detach the hooks from it so that I can easily do the whole thing. After I sand them, I will wash them and will apply again that staining concoction that we found on the internet. Now that they're both sanded, I will apply the varnish. Some people may think that they look better raw and it's just a matter of taste really. I wanted to see to compare, but after seeing the results and considering that these items will be used to hang scarves and jackets that might be a tad delicate, I think sanding is the way to go. Do you like the result? Let me know in the comment section. These are some of the things we brought from our cantina. A few old bottles of wine that are large and beautiful, they just needed a wash. A small bottle of homemade tomato sauce that I was afraid to open. Who knows how many decades it had been down there. I will use it as a vase for small flowers. This big basket and bottle is in great condition and will look very pretty in our bedroom. And these old Peroni crates will serve as storage. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!